Introduction to artificial intelligence, that it refers to the human simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and work like humans and mimic the actions that human performs. Now, what is AI? The AI is a branch of computer science. It is an application of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines to reduce the manpower, to reduce the man's effort. Examples of artificial intelligence are smartphones. Smartphones that we use in our daily lives are a big example of artificial intelligence. Also, smart cars, such as produced by Tesla, the semi-auto autopilot program cars that are being launched, and social media feeds and etc. The applications of artificial intelligence are Google's artificial intelligence powered predictions, plagiarism checkers, and your spam filters that you use in your email, Gmail accounts. Now, let's have a simplified introduction to artificial intelligence so that you can have a better understanding what the AI is. Basically, the artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer, a product, or a robot to think how smart human mind thinks. The aim of artificial intelligence is to improve the computer functions which are related to human knowledge, such as logical reasoning, learning, problem solving. Uh, The artificial intelligence is just a computer program. Artificial intelligence means that machine learns from surroundings, from the previous data given to it, and it makes the decisions on its own. This is the same thing, the introduction to artificial intelligence. It is simply a computer program, and it is same stated here that the machine learns from the surrounding and thinks on their own. It also states that when it does a work repeatedly, it finds an easier way to complete the work in lesser time. We can say that artificial intelligence are software programs that resembles humans in learning and solving problems. So it mainly says that the artificial intelligence machines can be said that they are simply computerized humans. Now let's go to the examples of artificial intelligence, starting with proactive healthcare management. The proactive healthcare management systems are a very big application of artificial intelligence. It is a very vast field of artificial intelligence, which helps patients to create health diet plans to carry on after diagnosing with different diseases, and they can also predict their time to time outcomes. I mean, if a patient has a diet plan of 1 month, the machine will predict that after 1 month, for example, his weight will increase by 5 kilograms, or his weight will be decreased by 5 kilograms. So it is a very intelligent management system, and it is hugely used in the field of medical science. Now, the second one is automated financial investing. The automated financial investing is the use of digital platforms to make pre-programmed investing and trading decisions for customers based on algorithms, variables from the users such as risk management, milestones, goals, income, such as that. And after that comes social media monitoring. Social media monitoring involves the tracking of online brand mentions and the subsequent responding of them. Monitoring also help you maintain positive brand image among consumers and identify potential influencers promote your brand or your business. Now, the fourth is manufacturing robots. Manufacturing robots are used to automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, enable workers to perform more productive tasks. Robots help with lifting, holding, and moving heavy machinery. Now, the fifth one and the last one is smart assistant. It is all the smart assistant is also known as virtual assistant or VA. It is a type of software installed on a smart device like on a smartphone. It provides different services, performs your daily routine tasks, such as scheduling your meetings, and it also answers your queries through internet. Popular assistants, popular assistant names are Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. So the artificial intelligence examples in real life are the Google's AI powered prediction. Now, the Google's AI powered prediction can tell you the traffic at any place you want to find by using the location by provide you by using the location that you provide. It can tell you the exact traffic there. The second one, ride sharing apps like Careem, Uber, Bikea, they use artificial intelligence programs to find out the wait time of the cab, the distance of your destination, such as that. Thirdly, banking and finance. Bank offers the banks now offer ability to deposit check through smartphones. So it has reduced the physical presence of the customers to cash in the checks. The last one that I have listed the real life example is social networking sites. Social sites like Facebook, Instagram uses artificial intelligence programs, algorithms to personalize your news feed. All of the users have different news feeds, and that depends upon their search history, their browsing history, their interests, and so on. Now let's discuss robots and applications with artificial intelligence. Robots used in assembly are used in complex manufacturing sectors like aerospace. Due to the high accuracy and precision, it is very helpful to use robots in the assembly plant. Secondly, it helps to reduce the cost and make accurate packaging and do the packaging quicker. It saves a lot of time. It saves a lot of manpower. Thirdly, the customer service. The robots are employed in customer services in retail stores and in hotels to provide high quality customer services. Fourthly, open source robotics. In open source, users can feed the robots with the data of specific tasks required. The open source robots are used to solve a lot of many problems that they are programmed of. So the user can just simply give it a task and it completes if it is programmed to do that. Now let's discuss the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. There is a lot of difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a technology which allows a machine to copy or simulate human behavior, whereas machine learning is just an application, a subset of artificial intelligence, which allows a machine to automatically learn from previous data. So it is a machine learning is a part of intelligence, artificial intelligence, but they have a few differences. Artificial intelligence have a lot of other, a lot more of other applications, while machine learning is simply one thing. Now, the advantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence provides high precision, accuracy, and speed, which the human mind or humans cannot provide due to their fatigue A person working 24 hours from the last 3 days is very vulnerable to mistakes. So he cannot do the work at same rate for 3 days without sleeping. Secondly, low error compared to humans, it's the same thing due to fatigue. Computers don't have fatigue level, so they can work repetitively on a simple task, on a single task for a long time. That's why they are more helpful than humans. They can work in tasks that are dangerous to humans, like in the nuclear plants. It is mainly the humans are not allowed to carry out dangerous tasks. It is carried out through machines. Artificial intelligence can work 24 by 7, whereas humans cannot provide that. So there is a huge difference between a human mind and an artificial intelligence. They can be employed in repetitive and boring kind of jobs like handling machinery. They are used in day-to-day applications like I have already listed, smart assistant, proactive healthcare management, and so on. The disadvantages of AI are that they are replacing humans in many fields. So there is a huge risk of unemployment, and we are already seeing the difference. The multinational companies have a very few employees as compared to the robots that are used in the manufacturing. The cost, the disadvantage of artificial intelligence is it is very costly, expensive. So it's it is not affordable for everyone, so it is not a common thing. The thirdly and lastly, if any error occurs, it is very difficult to rectify it. It is very difficult to change it. It is very difficult to solve it, because for that you will have to change the whole program of the machine that you are working with, and it is not a simple task to change the whole program. Thank you. That's all from me. I hope no, I hope you now have a better understanding of artificial intelligence. Thank you. And the last.